So I have slid these over, and the video cut off. So I'll just try and figure out where we left off here. I watch the animation. You're always doing this. You're always creating some stuff in your animation, and then you're testing it just to make sure it looks the way that you think it's going to look. When you're working in the workspace in Animate, and you're just sliding the playhead back and forth, you're like, oh yeah, this light is on for definitely a long enough amount of time. But then when you watch the animation, you go, well, it looks good, but I just need a little more time on the yellow one. 1 second is not long enough. So I'm going to actually add some time in here. So if I want to move something, I can click on these keyframes or blank keyframes. So for the red light, I'm going to just extend that to 3 seconds, which means I need to shift the green one. And then I want to extend this one. So I'm just going to click on it, drag, we'll go to 6. And I'll just slide this down. Now, this doesn't look very good because all of my background stuff has disappeared, so I just click and drag to highlight these, press F5 to extend them all, Control Enter. Now each of these lights are 3 seconds. Oop, it's except for the yellow one. I don't want to make the yellow one as long as the other two, so I'm just going to go to frame 190. I guess I didn't get all of my background in there. So I want this yellow light to go to 8 seconds. So go to 192, press F5, everything extends to that. Green, yellow is shorter, red. Okay, so we've learned a couple things today, how to use our keyframes, blank keyframes, how to use a gradient, radial gradient specifically, and how to create like a blur or glow type of effect so we can make something look, an animation look like it's lit up. So that's it for today. We'll save this as traffic light, and you can work on this after you've finished your inspirational quotes. Again, with the inspirational quotes, I'll just point out, make sure that you can read them out loud. A few people have called me over to check theirs, and it's moving too fast. I can't read through it. So each word is popping up one at a time using the mask tool, and just slow it down enough that someone can read it. A good way to check is to ask someone to check it, or to just read it out yourself. Okay, that's it for this one.